Union Minister Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu has laid the foundation stone for the new railway station to be set up at Tupul in Tamenglong district. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi says a written statement was submitted to the Railway Ministry in 2004 for the construction of Imphal-More railway line. Haide Mani says the current government has failed to deliver governance and the state should be brought under President's rule. And Finance Ministry extends the use of all 500 and 1000 rupee notes till Monday. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tuizum Chanupanthoy with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Union Minister Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu, Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma A. Heptullah and Chief Minister Okram Ibobi laid the foundation stone for the new railway station to be set up at Tupul in Tamenglong district and to drill the longest tunnel in India. Tunnel number 12, Union Railway Minister announced 50 lakh crore rupees for the construction of Imphal to More railway line. He made the announcement at an event organized by the General Manager Construction of Northeast Frontier Railway at First MR Ground today. He stated that the Northeast India has been neglected for a long time now and that it is the dream of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to develop this region. The railway will connect the state with the rest of India in the next 4 years and also provide employment to the unemployed youths. With an aim to improve the railway department, Railway Ministry has planned to invest 50,000 crores in the next 5 years as opposed to the current 30 to 32,000 crores. The minister stated that it is questionable that the products made by the artisans of the state is not making any monetary profits within and outside India. He also said with the improvement of railway in the state, they have plans to improve the tourist sector of the region.
That Imphal-More line, the preliminary survey was done in 2014 and already 1,101 kilometers, and we'll be actually doing 5,300 investment into this, and already 50 crores has been implemented. This has been sanctioned by the Railway Board, but we'll do anything more that is necessary. But point is, it is not that we are doing something as a favor to the Northeast. This is not for anything else. This is our commitment to the people of the Northeast. We realize that one of the best people in the country live in Northeast. They are really great in heart. They always think about others, God-fearing, nature-loving, but unfortunately we are not enough for them. So it is duty.
Speaking at the occasion, Governor of Manipur Dr. Nazma A. Heptullah stated that bunds and blockades should not interfere in the developmental work of the state. She said frequent bunds may affect the future of the people. The railway project under the Act East policy is the most important one for the state. Prime Minister should be appreciated for giving a go-ahead to the helicopter service, looking at the difficulties faced by the people in the remotest of areas in the state. This will help people in the hills during emergency in health and other services.
I am the rail with the difficulty of the hilly terrain, which is most of the Manipur area. I have suggested to the Honorable Prime Minister to reach to the people in the far-flung areas in the hilly region. We should have a helicopter doctor service over there, and I am happy that the Prime Minister and the central government is considering, as it was announced by the donors minister, Mr. Jitendra Singh Ji, when he visited Northeast, so that our people living in the hilly areas will not be, till the railways and the roads are built, they will not have the difficulty.
Minister Okram Ibobi said although a written statement was submitted to the Railway Ministry in 2004 for the construction of Imphal-More railway line, there has not been a single word from the ministry. He said to construct this railway line, it will take approximately 3 to 4 years for preparing a detailed project report. And when this project is done, the Act East policy will be completed, stated the Chief Minister.
Honorable Union Minister Shri Bijoy Goyal, he visited, I don't know whether he is an expert and qualified technical person or architecture or consultant. He immediately visited the site. He said that, sorry, this is low-lying area. He is supposed to advise us. Before 1 year back, before we acquiring the land, now that question is over. We have no problem. We are not objection anywhere, any place within the state of Manipur. It can be taken up. Our request is kindly expedite, kindly taken up this project immediately.
Indian Youth Congress General Secretary Dayan Hussain asserted that BJP is a wealthy and a party based on lies. Speaking at a political conference organized by Wangkai Block Congress Committee and Wangkai Youth Congress Committee at Mantripukri, Dayan Hussain, he asked if the BJP has done anything for the people or succeeded in bringing back the black money from foreign countries or controlled price rise in their 2.5 years in government. He said many union ministers have visited the state but nothing has been done. He also accused the BJP of helping private company like Reliance in turning their black money into white.
इलेक्शन के पहले कहा था हम विदेश से काला धन लाएंगे। अब आपने जो थोड़ा बहुत बचा के रखा था घर में बेटी के शादी के लिए, बेटा के शादी के लिए, कोई बीमार के लिए, वो बैंक में जमा कराने के लिए आप लोगों को लाइन लगाने पड़ रहा है इंफॉल में। और उनका जो दोस्त है ना रिलायंस का, क्या नाम है उसका, अंबानी का, अदानी का, इनका सारा पैसा उन्होंने व्हाइट कर दिया। उन्होंने बोला कि मैं विदेश से काला धन लाऊंगा और हर इंडियन सिटीजन को 15 लाख रुपया दूंगा। मेरा सवाल है आपसे, महिलाओं से, मेरे माताओं से, मेरे बहनों से, युवाओं से, सीनियर सिटीजन से, क्या आप लोगों को 15 लाख रुपया मिला?
The use of old 500 and 1000 rupee notes for paying household utility bills, fuel, taxes and fees as well as purchase from cooperative stores has been extended till Monday. The Finance Ministry said in a statement informing that the decision has been taken considering representations received from different quarters in the matter. Court fee and payment of penalty to central and state governments, including municipalities and local bodies, will also be allowed to pay in old notes till Monday. Earlier, the government had allowed use of the old currency at government hospitals, railway ticketing, airline ticketing, petrol pumps and other till midnight last night. A signature campaign on the theme "I support the bold decision of our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi to demonetize black money and corruption" has been initiated by Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha at the party's office at Nitaipat, Chuthe. BJP General Secretary Ajay Jamwal, appreciating Prime Minister, said that it is a commendable step which is important for the youths in the country. The campaign will go on for 4 days and has the objective of collecting more than 2 lakh signatures.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का सहयोग करना चाहिए। मैं युवा मोर्चा को बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशन देता हूं कि उन्होंने ये एक कैंपेन लिया और ये कैंपेन के साथ साथ मोदी जी के धन्यवाद के साथ साथ, मोदी जी को कंग्रेचुलेशन करने के साथ साथ पूरे समाज को भी अवेयर करना चाहिए, सोसाइटी को भी अवेयर करना चाहिए कि ये इस देश के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी स्टेप था जो मोदी जी ने लिया, जो इस देश के भविष्य को, इस देश की डेवलपमेंट को आगे लेके जाएगा और युवाओं को लाखों में नौकरियां दिलाएगा। कोई भी अनएम्प्लॉयड नहीं रहेगा इसके कारण।
The indefinite economic blockade initiated by United Naga Council on the national highways has completed 12 days. The state has been reeling for diesel and petrol and other basic commodities due to the blockade. Petrol pumps have remained shut and suing from the blockade. However, petrols and diesel are found abundantly in black in the localities. Needy customers are purchasing petrol at the rate of Rs 200 per litre. While the condition of the people have worsened in the state, the government has taken no initiative to curb the situation. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh has stated that adequate steps are being taken by the government to bring in fuel and all essential commodities on both the national highways, even though economic blockades are being enforced both in Jiri and Senapati. He made the statement while replying to a media query on the sidelines of an event organized by Manipur Hill Journalist Union at Hotel Imphal. He stated further that the government is trying hard to resolve the blockade issue with both the concerned parties.
Government gi machineries aduga IOC gi mayam ne kene toroga ani maktagi khoi pusalna ba tawrasi haina security ngasai ayuk nganna ngarang so dum khana bane khoi song si si dum yarni haina dum ngai leibna do song ngai leiba yararoi nakal ani makta khoi attempt tawga thuna pusalaknaba na khoi admaina mari leinabasing IOC gi security gi atai transporter sing mayam phaminadra khoi instruction pigre thuna masigi problem ji solve tawnaba sarkar na kan hotnari nai.
Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Trade Unions, Council and All Manipur Government Employees Organization will take 3 days mass casual leave in protest against the non-implementation of 7th Pay Commission by the Manipur government from 15 to 17 November. Speaking to Media Persons Council's President Kaidem Mani said a memorandum had been submitted to the Chief Minister to implement the 7th pay on the 8th of last month, and the employees began wearing black badge in protest against the government's inaction. He warned the government of intense agitation if the government do not heed to their demands.
Maruai 7th Pay Commission recommendation pitokpa asani chingmachi tawhunjaningi strike akoi indefinite siege walk na chingba tawgadabado madumakti akoi public ki damakti yengdana tawjadri machi 15 16 17 la tawrabamgi matungda adubawda khanaraktab taragadi 18 dagidi amuk makhata na hena kanma khongjang mayam dadi soholoi daba mongda hena kanma khongjang se machi sanction nabagi damakta akoi sam sare.
Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in short while keep watching Impact News.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Ningol Chakawuda Pengbang Aton Chabi Hogdabro, Wabi Ruranu, Central Agricultural University Nesinba, Northeast Ki Kwaidaki Chauba Agri Fiarda, Manipuri Indigenous Peace, Mapungmari Paraba Pengba Amadingaton, Pangbiragani.
Tang Tara the Gate Taranitoy Pauba.
Mela Mapam, Central Agricultural University Iroishemba, Pengba Keji Tara the Keji Amagip, Ngaton Keji Manga the Keji Amagip.
Puthok Chariba, S. Surchandra Pengba Farm, Hyangtang.
Ozal Pain Relief Ointment Khwang naba, kok chikpa, tang chikpa, amadi khu naba na singbada sinaba yarba Ozal Lipsap group na puthok saba Ozal sinabiyo.
Welcome back. People throng the banks of unabated to deposit money following the scrapping of 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. Banks were seen crowded since early morning and lots of inconveniences were caused to the public while withdrawing and depositing cash. Although 7 crores of 100 rupee notes and about 100 crores of 200 rupee notes arrived in Imphal late last evening to replace the old notes of 500 and 1,000 rupee notes, they are not available in abundance in the ATMs or the banks. Meanwhile, in Khwaeramban Bazaar exchange facility in being provided for 1,000 rupee notes at 200 rupees and 500 rupees notes at 100. However, people expressed their concerns about the exchange offer to Impact News. They are not sure if they are being cheated or being helped.
Khoi jilpa changwa khatang pai baje asai changwa je sanadra banina khoi da wajai ba arola thupa paisa me am lem ta ga junga sagi sidadi mai account da puthokna ka dawuni na asigi asum baran baju khangmudi khangtoe amarom da yam chumen na khale adu bazar da yam wai
akoi gi huji lalo laga chajari ba kai tawri ba mayam si AGT henna awaba lakani na khanjai maram di akoi lising chapi pi ba matam da hanbada ngamdabadu huji lising ani oina pibagi pota lakmani na ngasagi yamna macha karba tawri bising dadi yamna wai any everything sigdo fit ta leirba matungda tawrokpo oiragadi public ta yam waroi dabani
khula khoya de bam wan re lo sing subagi tawa sa bilau yatre lising kai re lupachari pan bhange poche leiba da yam tang na bhange huji sagi account je tamina khodi yam wa je ba
pesum yeng je ba queue gi city adum leihini lupa lising tra de hen la ko pa ya ja ba haiba adagi paisa sindok pai haibanina adubu paisa ko asoi ba haidi ko denomination lakpa hore ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯛꯈꯩꯗꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤ.
One-day seminar on the theme Role of Media for Development in the Hill Areas of Manipur was held at Hotel Imphal today. The seminar was organized by Manipur Hill Journalists Union under the aegis of DIOPR Manipur. Speaking on the event, Chief Minister Okram Iwobi said, "It is impossible to govern a state without the help of media, and also gave media the responsibility and credit in developing process of the state." He further expressed that he have no grudges against media's criticism, as it only helps the government more aware and alert of the issues happening. Deputy CM Gaikhangam, speaking in the event, too complimented the contribution of the media for covering news from the remotest part of the hilly areas. He also suggested if news concerning the rudiment areas are published, it will help the government in considering those areas to develop. Minister I. Hemochandra Singh, All Manipur Working Journalists Union President W. Shamjai, Editors Guild Manipur President A. Mubi participated in the event.
Media na matam-matamgi ipaw, sarkar gi dapat tharang ipaw, miyam na anganbang ambana, sarkar amadi media matam punamakta loina duna satinaba maruiba ama oigani singtam anigi miyam gi hena yaifanaba hojiki sarkar asina Raja Singhi Sapat Thorangi Tabak Iram Singh Ase Raja Singhi Miyam da Tanghan Yogunabagi Tangai Padaba Laibana Sarkar ki information amasung public relation department ka kusam nabiduna media ki mapung khaba kanabasing adu amuktang sing tam anigi miyam da puthok piu.
Volunteers of Desam, including the president, stormed the chief minister's bungalow around 2 this afternoon, demanding punishment to the police personnel who trashed students. A scuffle broke put between the police personnel deployed in the area and the protesters. The security personnel moved the protesters towards Nupilal complex and controlled the situation. A book named Hingba Tamli, written by a young writer, Khuraijam Suresh, was released today at Books and Coffee, Yumnam Laikai. It was released by Dr. Moirangthem Priyobata. This is the first book to be published by Books and Coffee, and it contains 11 short stories. The books cost 150 rupees. Noted writers Yumlembam Ibomcha, Thangjum Ibopisak, Arambam Memtobi, among others, attended the function. As part of the event, poetry session and music performance was also held. Three-days-long Regional Agri Fair 2016 and 17 on the theme Importance of Organic Farming and Integrated Farming System in Second Green Revolution concluded today at College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University, Iroisemba. More than 50 stalls displaying various agri-products were participated in the fair. Member of ADC Chandel Hobson Chothe inaugurated the new Wangparal Primary School, Chandel District, constructed under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan scheme today. Teachers, students, members of School Management Development Committee and the local people participated in the event. On the occasion of the 11th birth anniversary of Kangleipak Students Association KSA, a blood donation camp was held today at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Geneva. 50 members of KSA donated blood on the occasion. Manipur Cycle Club and Salai Paddlers are organizing a cycle rally on 14 November at 7 a.m. on the theme of I Ride with India as a part of the cycle rally, which has been organized all over the country. And in sports news, Nambul Mapal Cultural Organization and Trao Kakaitel entered the semis of 11th Manipur State League. In the double elimination round matches played today, Nambul Mapal Cultural Organization beat Anauba Imagi Mangal Khabam Lamkhai 3-2. TH Madhumangol scored a hat-trick for the winner to take the team to the semis. In another match, Trau Kwakaitel beat Klasa Kaino 1-0. El Sanatumba netted the lone goal for the winner in the 56th minute of the match. FC Jalen Sadar Hills will play YPHU Lalambung in the 5th double elimination round. Gopal Deva Yai School Kangkhut won the first Sri Sri Gopal Deva League Cum Knockout Kang tournament. In the final match played today, Gopal Deva Yai School Kangkhut trounced Yai School Kangkhut 37-17 to clinch the title. 9 Kangkhuts took part in the tournament organized by Gopal Dev Kangkhut Yai School at Sri Sri Gopal Dev Mandap. Kongba Youth Club A will compete against Welfare Youth Liberal and Conduct Organization Kongba in the finals of the 36th State Open Water Polo Tournament. In the first semi-final match played today, Kongba Youth Club A beat CSCA Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal 11-9 to enter the finals. Finalist Welfare Youth Liberal and Conduct Organization Kongba beat Sedok Kongba Chetri Leikai 9-1. In the third position match of the tournament, CSCA Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal beat Sedok Kongba Khetri Leikai 13-11 to be adjudged the third position of the tournament. The final match of this tournament, organized by Manipur Water Polo Association, will be played tomorrow. And before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Minister Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu has laid the foundation stone for the new railway station to be set up at Tupul in Tamenglong district. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi says a written statement was submitted to the Railway Ministry in 2004 for the construction of Imphal More railway line. Haide Mani says the current government has failed to deliver governance and the state should be brought under President's rule. And Finance Ministry extends the use of all 500 and 1000 rupee notes till Monday.